So today we're going to be looking at the running direction section of the Squid. Now with our running directions, we can have up to 64 different directions that we can apply to our 16-step sequencer. At the minute, I'm running a kick and a snare on a 175 BPM. And now I want to add some hats. So I'm going to place the hats where I'd usually put them when I'm making a drum and bass track. Now we're going to use our running directions on the Squid to get some variations on our running order. So at the minute, this is running from left to right. And as soon as I switch this to running down, you can hear the different change in the track and it gives it a completely different groove. Just so you can hear it in motion. I'm now going to run through the different orders so you can get a gist of the different grooves that I can get with just a touch of these buttons here. I'm now going to go into it a little bit more and start to use the reverse and switchback that we have on the left hand side of the running orders. So all this is going to do is reverse the order. So instead of starting up the top here, it is then started from down here. And I can do a switchback as well, so I can go back to the original. By using my shift button, I can also flip these running orders. For example, if I go this snaky one here, and then I press shift and the running order, it then starts to flash, which means I'm doing a flip. Combining our running orders, our flip, reverse and switchback gives us the 64 different running directions that we can have for the Squid.